Hey guys, welcome to Codewise, and today we are back again with the question, lead code question called Kth Smallest Element in a BST. It's a medium level question in the code. So before starting the video, there are a lot of contents, guys, which are already been uploaded in our channel. There are a lot of versatile contents which are being uploaded. Do check the videos once. If you like it, do subscribe. It's all based upon your interest, right? So, okay, let's come back to our question. So, basically, they're asking kth smallest element in the BST. So, see, it's really very easy. Just for namesake, they have just said it's a medium level question. It's really very easy because the first point is, I mean, they are given the BST, right? They have given the BST, and we have to find the kth smallest element, right? Smallest value. So basically, if you want the third, I mean, for example, kth smallest value, it's obviously it should be in a ascending order, right? Because if I mean, it's not obvious that it should be in ascending order, but if it is in an ascending order, it's obviously very easy to find the third element, right? Cool. So how can we convert this BST to the ascending order? It's really very simple because we know that if there is some sort of traversal, after doing that traversal, this BST will be converted to the ascending or descending order. Which traversal is it? Obviously, it's in order traversal. So if we are doing a in order traversal on this, it's obviously going to turn into a ascending in a, I mean it's going to be in a sorted order, right? So after I mean the trees in a sorted order, it's very simple. Like just take a vector, anything array, just store these elements, this in order tree elements in the vector or array, then they just display its index, that is kth index. So we can't display the kth index because kth is referred from the first index. Since we are taking the array or vector from the zeroth index, we're just pushing it, so we have to do k minus 1. That's it. Enough of just giving a theorem. Let me just start with the coding part so that you will understand it better. So basically, as we said, we will do a in order traversal. Let me just name it as in order. So in order, this is basically a helper function. So what this in order is doing, it's just complete. It's just traversing it in order fashion, right? So base condition, we already know that if it is root, just return, or else in order go to root left. As we said, we need a vector. Let us take a vector. uh, we'll just push back the root value, and we are going to traverse even right side. Cool. Then just returning, see at this point this will return a root, our root in the, I mean it will traverse in the in order fashion. So we have already fetched our elements from the this traversal, and we have pushed it into a vector. So in our vector now, the elements will be in the sorted order. So it's really simple. Just display as I said k minus 1 because it's starting from the zeroth index. So just display k minus 1. If you are displaying v of k, it will start from the zeroth index. I mean it will if the answer is 1, it will point us to 2. So we have to start with the k minus 1. So if we run this, It does work, so let's submit. Yeah, it's successfully done. I hope you have understood the solution. If you didn't get the solution, just just rewind the video and just see it once again. You will understand it. It's not that difficult, guys. You can do it. You can do it easily. You know the concept. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it in this video. If you do like the content, do like the video and subscribe to our channel and stay coding, stay positive. Thank you.